No surprise here, another triple-digit day in the desert, bringing us to 145 days of triple-digit heat this year. It's a lot. It's certainly a lot. We're dealing with more as we head through the rest of this week. Today's high temperature in Palm Springs peaking at 107 degrees, thermal at 103, just as it was yesterday. So we're continuing to feel the heat, and it is going to be a very gradual cooling as we continue throughout the rest of this evening. Now, just as we've been doing the past couple of days, let's go ahead and compare today's date to this date in years past. Last year, it was 90 degrees. The year prior, 86 degrees. And if we look back at 2015, there was a high of 100 on today's date. But still, 2020 in the lead when we're looking back over just the past few years. And yeah, we're going to keep it warm through the rest of this week. It's all because of this ridge of high pressure that's building over the eastern Pacific, and this is really why we are experiencing such above normal temperatures here in Southern California. So as long as that ridge is in place, we're continuing to feel the heat. As we head into Friday and then this upcoming weekend, this ridge is going to be gradually weakening. As it does so, our temperatures will gradually cool. Until then, there is a heat advisory in effect for Riverside County valleys just to our west. We're still talking about temperatures in the 90s and even getting close to 100 degrees out there. So we're not alone with the heat. It's everyone across Southern California. We're just all dealing with different type of extremes. It's all relative. There's also a fire weather watch that has been issued for Friday. Now this goes into effect early Friday morning, remains in effect through 6 p.m. Friday evening. It includes portions of Riverside County and then San Bernardino Mountains. The reason for this, our winds are going to be shifting to have an offshore flow. That's our winds coming out from the east to northeast. That's going to be providing much drier air across the Southland. When you have a bit of wind, Santa Ana winds that are going to be much more, they're going to be stronger towards our north and towards our west, not as strong here in the Coachella Valley, but you're having dry conditions, hot conditions, and then you add a bit of a wind. It does bring concern for wildfires. So yes, triple digits are sticking with us through the weekend. 90s arrive next week. John Karen, next week cannot get here soon enough.
It's going to be beautiful.
We're anxious, no doubt about that.